Hey, what's up, entrepreneurs? If you're looking to get approved for business credit like a pro, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 steps you need to master. Let's dive in. Step 1. Separate personal and business finances. This is crucial. Open a business bank account and get a business credit card. It shows lenders you're serious and keeps your personal credit safe. Step 2. Establish your business entity. Whether it's an LLC or corporation, it gives your business legitimacy. Plus, it's way easier to get credit when your business is officially recognized. Step 3. Get an EIN. That's an employer identification number. It's like a social security number for your business. You can get it for free from the IRS website. Trust me, lenders will ask for this. Step 4. Build business credit history. Start with vendor credit lines. Companies like Uline or Granger offer net 30 accounts. Pay on time and watch your business credit score grow. Step 5. Monitor your business credit. Use services like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, or Equifax to keep an eye on your score. Errors happen, and you want to catch them ASAP. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to getting approved for business credit like a pro. Remember, patience and consistency are key. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video.